Good morning. It is a new day, a new dawn, a new life for me, and I'm feeling good. Today at 3 o'clock, this is what I did. I put this beautiful saying on my wall because usually at 3 o'clock in the morning, I am up getting ready for my job to go to work. Same job I've done for a long time now. And as of yesterday was my final day. Our store closed and my position became unavailable. So in a tribute, I got up at 3 a.m. and put this on the wall to remind me that life is beautiful. I'm going to keep smiling because there's so much to smile about. This is on the wall of my office, and I'm going to be decorating my office in red and black and silver and white decor, kind of a romantic Marilyn Monroe theme, just because that's what I like. I am a party planner or event coordinator, whichever you prefer to call it. I've been doing parties on the side for a while now. I love it, and I wanted to retire doing this, and this is now an opportunity for me to try it out for a while to see how it works before I move on to another job. I want to take some time to get to know me and enjoy those things in life that I've been missing out on being so busy at work. I've got a lot of stuff I want to do in here. I've started it with odds and ends and bits and pieces, and I want to create a nice feel and a nice surrounding that people are comfortable in and feel good about. I have a lot of things that were given to me. I have a lot of things that I've made. I have a lot of DIYs that I want to create for this space, and I want to take everyone along with me on my journey to create it and reinvent it. This is going to be a lot of work, and it's okay because I enjoy doing this kind of thing, and I think it's going to be a lot of fun. We'll start right here. I guess this cabinet here holds a lot of my crafting supplies that I use for those DIYs for parties and events. And I want to organize it a little better. It's organized, but it's not as fine-tuned as I'd like it to be. I'm starting to put the little labels on the tubs and what's in the tubs and all that. And I want to kind of give it a glamorous feeling so it looks more aesthetic. It's more pleasing to look at. It's got a lot of work. I've got this chalkboard that was given to me. I having a hard time getting that chalk off of there. It's still, but that's okay because I'm gonna figure it out. I'm gonna get it cleaned up. I'm gonna be able to use that for a lot of things. That's Double D's chair. This is an organizer that I stuff all my craft supplies in. I'm not that crazy with how it looks right now. I plan on giving it a makeover. I've got some ideas. I got some material coming. I think that's going to make that really nice and give it a little pop over there in that corner. This big long table here you're probably wondering, why do you got that big long red table in the middle of the room like that all crammed together? Well, it's actually a great workspace. Right now it's holding my fan, of course, because it gets warm in here when I'm concentrating, it seems sometimes. And these are my baskets of projects that are in the works. I have my candles right there that I got up on my store. When we closed down, they spelled out my name. I thought that was really cute. And I'll probably give them a little, I'll doll them up a little bit. Even though they're nice as they are, I still want to dial them up. Anyway, back to this table. It's actually a cover for all my totes. I have like 6 giant totes hidden under there that they're kind of an eyesore, but I need them for my party planning. They're full of balloons, equipment, tablecloths, napkins, plates, chargers, a lot of stuff like that. But like I said, an eyesore. And I thought about painting the totes to match. I'm thinking, why do that? And I still may, or I may just buy some more that match. But this here covers it nicely. It gives the room a little. It gives me a table that I need, additional workspace, and yet it's also functional as far as hiding my storage. This table here hides some storage. This is my filing cabinet, right, the temporary filing cabinet, but it serves its purpose. I want to do some more work on that. Of course, my desk. Then this is my valance that I had on one of my parties that I made. It's tufted with, it's like a black faux leather, and it's got those faux rhinestones on it. And I thought it looked really nice, and it looked great with the red velvet curtains that we had coming down with an open to a, it looked like a castle for a party I did on Game of Thrones. And it really gave it a castle appeal and a kind of royal elegance. It really looked nice. I've just got them sitting up there right now out of the way, but I think I'm going to transform them to where I can use them, where they'll go into my theme. But we're going to work on that. My material came in for those today, and I'm excited to start that project. I'm going to take y'all along on that journey too. I think it's going to be really nice. I got these red and black clipboards. I've got some ideas to glam them up a little bit. And then that little cubby is my mailbox, so it's close to my computer, close to my desk, so I can throw my mail in there and what have you. This desk, my computer area, was in my bedroom, so that's why it's pink, because my bedroom is very, very pink. So it has the pink marble contact that I had but I really like my computer on the space. It gives me, it's perfect height for my arms, spread out to, has my information that I need and use right there. And it had a pink skirting that went around it. I want to revamp that. I did not care. It will not go in here, so it gets in your way when you're sitting there working on your computer. So I'm going to figure out something else. My printer, and then my little cubbies here that contain my paper clips and my rubber bands and staples and push pins and so forth. And I made these little canisters out of the red mason jars that I had at a party that had candles in them, and I loved them, the color so much, the rich red color. So I come back and I've made these little designs on them. They look like garters to me, and I thought, well, that's kind of feminine. I like that. And I put the bling bling on it and put the little labels on it. So therefore, they made decorative and yet cute little holders that are functional. Then I have a couple of more designs there. And then I have some more decor on top, again, trending into the feminine side of me, which is very important to me, to be a woman. I love being a woman. I'm a very feminine person. I'm 58 years old, but I am still loving glam. I don't care how old I get. I'll probably be 101 and still like to put on my lipstick and dress up. It's just, that's the way it is. I'm a girly girl. So anyway, welcome to the project of my next few months. I look forward to working and creating this project, and I hope everyone comes along to see how it turns out and see what becomes of me in the process. But have a great day, and remember, we're going to keep on smiling.